Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to install Firefox browser to your Amazon Firestick. So first of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader here. Here it is, already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was no need to enter the whole name of the app. Click on Downloader, and that's the application which we need to install. However, that's not it, we still have to set up. To do so, we'll go to Settings, click on My Fire TV, and there we'll have to enable developer options on our device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, developer options are not available by default because they are hidden. So to make them appear, we have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and here click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see now at the bottom, for me it says no need, you are already a developer, that's in my case. In your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now, and if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging right here, then go to install unknown apps, and turn that option on for the downloader as well. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily from the official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we got the downloader in the list of our applications and it's ready to use. However, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing before actually using the downloader. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I used NordVPN because they got a great app for Fire Sticks or any other device. They are super fast and not expensive. So you just connect to any server, it doesn't matter, they got the same encryption level on every server, and from this moment your internet provider doesn't know what websites you are browsing, what apps are you downloading, what videos you're watching, and so on. And that really comes in handy to stay out of trouble online, especially when downloading something from the internet. And if you are interested in getting a VPN, you can use my promo link, which will be in the pinned comment below this video. If you use my link, you get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is a great deal. And now, after we got a VPN connected and set up, let's go to Downloader. So we open the application. On the left side menu, make sure to select Home. And then in that search bar, we have to type a code, which is going to be 28907. So once again, the code is 28907, and then you press on Go. Then a website is going to open. We'll need to scroll down a bit until we see a list of categories. And here it is, and we are looking for browsers. So click on the browsers category. Then a list of browsers is going to appear, and here's the Firefox. So let's click on it. Then if any ad opens up for you here, make sure to click on close, because if you click on open, it's going to mess everything up for you. Then a new web page is going to open, which you also have to scroll down, and keep scrolling until you see the download Fire TV button. Click on it, and now the download is going to start. Click on install in the right bottom corner, and then before actually clicking open, let's press on done. Here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, because we don't need it anymore. Click on delete, and delete once again. And now Firefox is going to appear in the list of your applications. Let's take a look. Here's the application. I recommend you clicking on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then click on Move to Front. It's going to put the Firefox application to the very front or to the very top of your app list. Therefore, it's going to be very easy to access every time you need it. Now let's open the app, and pretty much that's it. That's how you can use Firefox on your Fire Stick in 2024. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button so more people would see it as well. And see you next time. Bye bye.